we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of YEYIAN Tanto gaming PC. That's include wonderful performance. Powered by Intel 13 Gen Core i5, 13400F CPU, handle the most intensive tasks with ease through our YEYIAN pre-built PC. Process any modern game you want to run in exceptional capacity. Using Intel B760 motherboards to handle the most intensive tasks. System: Intel Core i5 processor 13400KF 24 cores 16 threads 2.50 GHz CPU, max frequency 4.6 GHz, Intel B760 motherboard, Windows 11 Home pre-built gaming PC. Graphics and memory: GeForce RTX 4060, 8GB GDDR6, 17GB 120-bit graphics card gaming computer. 16GB DDR5, 4800 MHz memory. 1TB NVMe Gen.3 SSD. Special feature: 4A RGB system color adjustable ring fan. 650 watt gold certified power supply. RGB gaming keyboard and mouse. Case size 16.6 x 8.3 x 18.1 inch, weight 26 pounds. Connectivity: front, 2x USB 3.0, 1x USB 2.0, HD audio and ME. Connectivity: rear, 3x USB 3.2 Gen 2, 2 Type A plus 1 Type C, 3x USB 3.2 Gen 1, 2 Type A plus 1 Type C, 2 USB 2.0, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.1, 8-channel, 7.1, HD audio with audio boost, 1x Realtek 2.5G LAN. Get the game bundle, Assassin's Creed. Order now and reach us for the game code. Get Assassin's Creed Shadows with purchase of qualifying Intel products. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.